you know, but, you know, I can't really mix with anybody, so you don't really
Yeah, I understand.
And then, so they will let out the Sahara bus.
Yeah.
So they will let that back out, clean this back out. And
Alright. So we have this ready by tomorrow evening.
yeah, man. So tomorrow evening when you do your thing, that should be ready.
Okay. I love the view though. The view is very much beautiful. I love that.
And the dust give us this bad because normally when we prepare, all this yard would have been cut and ready because you can see. So this is where you guys were last night.
Yeah, right there.
No.
Oh, really?
Past this peninsula, first peninsula. Well, they take you to where the guys are, where the ladies are scaling fish.
No.
Because you take a right turn and then you would have had to go further down.
Okay.
So you were staying further down.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
Understand. Guys, it's so nice. It's nice, like, yeah, it's nice. Me and me mute because enough people them come in and them just disgusting. Because even when me have video the car this while ago, them tell me for video the car here, everybody come in my comment section and go on. Me no want nobody show me off. But this me I talk about no, this is very nice. I love it so bad. I love it. Yeah.
When you organize your thing, when we are involved,
yes.
With this we're not involved.
Yes.
Only just assisting you guys to make sure that
everything go okay. Yeah.
That it work out nice.
Yes.